I'm starting this series for beginner meditators with an anxious mind because I know what it's like to overthink like crazy. I used to be anxious to leave the house no matter where I was going, even to see my best friends who I've known my entire life and my girlfriend. I resorted to just playing video games most of the day, every day, because it was the only thing that took my mind off it and gave me some peace, enjoyment and fulfillment. Even a few years ago at 21, I was extremely anxious and nervous when dealing with staff in shops and meeting anyone. The past year I've practiced mindfulness and meditation far more often, and it's been the happiest, most fulfilling year of my life, even though circumstances haven't really changed that much. The truth is, my anxiety isn't completely gone, and it's a human emotion, so I will feel it and you will too. But it's about building a different relationship with anxiety and not getting as involved in the feeling as much. It won't change overnight, but the way you relate to the feeling will slowly change and improve. My anxiety has improved a huge amount, and everything in my life is improved because of mindfulness and meditation. I don't claim to be an expert in meditation in any sense, but I know what has been hugely effective and impactful for me during meditations, and I want to share that and continue to grow myself. The first few times I tried meditation, I didn't really get much out of it. I thought maybe this isn't for me, maybe it only helps some people. I left it and came back to it multiple times, doubting its effectiveness for a while, until I noticed being able to explain myself that little bit better, and being able to listen to people a little bit more carefully. And actually being able to read a book without thinking all the way through reading, retaining no information at all. And this was when I started to have a daily practice of just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Longer meditation sessions can be extremely powerful and insightful. However, for the beginner meditator, it's really important to just build the foundation of making meditation a habit. It's not just helpful for a select group of people or a type of person. It's universally beneficial for everyone, and has been the biggest and best change I've made in my life. Science supports meditation, and there's constantly new studies all the time, showing just how beneficial it is. You might notice some quick improvements, but it's important not to expect that you'll be a new person after just one session. It's kind of like gym for the mind. Meditation has helped me change my relationship with anxiety and helped me to become more an observer of the feeling rather than the victim. I designed these meditations in the hope that I can help you do the same. The aim is to start at 5 minutes, then building up minute by minute to 20. I recommend repeating them for more benefits, however, I have chosen to increase these meditations minute by minute to slowly ease you into this important, life-changing practice. Because this series is focused on mindfulness and becoming more aware of thoughts, I'll be uploading 2 versions of this series to suit your preference, one with meditation music and one without, to really become observant of your thoughts. Please click the link to the meditation on screen to get started.